Now, time to build these Stormdrake Guard, which are, quite beastie models actually. What I'm liking is that we do have some choices as well as far as body types and heads, so that should actually be quite good when putting things together. On top of that, you've also got the ability to create kind of a captain with some of these heads as well. And again, I think that's quite a good thing, a kind of, what's it called, a Great Guard Prime. So I'm going to start off by building the actual riders first. So I need 89 and 90 to begin with. So first and foremost, we need to actually get the legs out. I really hate unclipping Stormcast legs. I personally find that, I don't know, someone suggested that it might be the quality of clipper I'm using. Personally, I've never had a major problem with Games Workshop's clippers, but it has been suggested that they're not ideal. I don't know, unless I try a vast range of clippers, I'm never really going to find out. What I would say is this thing has got a terrible mold line on it. Look at how the mold line runs right along here, horribly. It's a really bad mold line, that, to be quite blunt about it. Runs the whole length of the leg, so it'll be pretty obvious. I have to admit as well, the Stonecast, the actual, when I look at the actual body plan, as much as they are like Sigmarite in design, when I've actually been putting together some old world Bretonnians, they actually, how do I put this, they really kind of pull it together. Oh, do you know what, I need to actually get a body now. I'll pick body 91 and 92, so let me see if I can find that now. Again, there's other option of bodies, it just all goes together the same way, it's whichever you want. I would have loved to get a second set of these. I'd have been a very happy man if I'd done that, because I think then I could have had a very fierce looking force. So I've been asked recently, am I keeping my Stormbringer collection? So far I'm going to say yes to the Stormcasts and yes to the Cool Boys, because I like those factions. I think they look really cool. So the best way to describe it is definitely not till I've had them all painted up. Oh, what a difficult one that was to clean up, because it's quite got small and it's got a lot of sharp bits to it. Can't get this to sit on. Come on. I'm getting you the wrong way around here. Yes, I am. Helps if you put it the right way up. Now, these parts, I think, kind of... Let's have a look here. you know, I'm really not paying attention today. I don't know if I'm 88. Yeah, this here. I think I'm just having one of those days where I'm not reading my instructions properly and half asleep. Oh, it's been a long few weeks, this, no doubt about it. Too many things have been happening in my life in very short order. Moving house, starting new jobs, new school terms. Oh, I just think everything has got to me, and I'm kind of fighting the, what you might call the, well, the kind of fatigue that teachers get as they're heading towards this first half term. Kind of, it's hard to keep your motivation up. You know you've got a lot to get done still. Behavioural issues of a new term as students see how far they can push you. It's just nice to do something like this, just to focus my mind on practical skills that use the hands. Okay, now I need 93 just to put the decoration on the front of the chest there. Come on, 93. 93 is over at this corner. Which way does this go? Like that. Oop. Helps if I don't put it back to front. There we go. Yeah, it does really remind me of the Bretonians, these guys, more than Imperial Knights. Anyway, where else am I up to? Okay, now I've got to get this lance on. So 101, this pendant here. What else have we got here? 101 and 96 for the arm over here. Oh my goodness, I've got so little energy today. Never mind, eh? Right, this is going to be a long build when I've got very little energy, but if I don't get it done today, it'll be like another week before I can get round to it, and you know. I might have my other set of models to do, and that'll make it even harder. Best to keep on top of things. My house isn't too much of a mess. I'm not willing to do a house tour yet. It's probably not the thing that people come to my channel for, but I'm very proud of my house. I've done, you know, family and I have done quite a bit of work getting it nice in the last month. So I feel like I should be able to show it off. More to you know, I probably won't do the whole house. I'll probably just show my office so that everyone can see how my studio's set up. Calling it a studio to sound a bit posher there. Right. Right, 98 for the shield arm. Picking a nice shield, I'll go for that one that looks very ornate for a prime. Shit. You know, sometimes cleaning things up is an horrible thing. You want to get it nice and perfect. Right. So, see here. Get this part on. So you may personally find it easier to not glue stuff like this on to begin with. Depends if you find it easier to paint the shields off or on. I find with Stormcast it's easy enough. Some models though, it's very difficult to paint things with the shield on, but these tend to be quite expressive and open up, so it's not that hard. Perhaps if I put the shield on the right way up, how'd I manage that? Okay, and I think now we just need 94, which is one of these shoulder guards, and a head. So we're going to go for 104, that one there. So shoulder guard goes on. Head goes on. Like so. And there we go, that's our prime done. Now, I'll do the next one on a different video because that'll be a lot easier. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.